was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Sorted by the cow is Mark Ford, the associate minister at tonight's game sponsor, the West Waynesboro Church of Christ. He's the guy in the blue. So Mark Ford getting ready to throw the first pitch, and he throws a strike. Good job, Mark. We appreciate your
session. West Waynesboro Church of Christ night. Also here, kids from Waynesboro Public Schools, Boys and Girls Club, and the YMCA. All right, let's get this race underway. On your mark, get set, go! And William Carson off to a good race. They're going down the first base side. Go wide, make sure you don't get hit. Oh, the Chick-fil-A, he's on home, he's coming here up first base.